Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me. I'm back to share with you the measurements for the pockets and the envelope that I had done the video for my Polaroid shape embellishments in my last video. And I'll put the video for you down below if you wanted to have a look at the Polaroid shape embellishments that I had made. And all you need is just using your scrap papers. They are so easy to put together and I had a lot of fun making them. So these were the ones that I shared with you in my last video, and they turned out really cute. And this is just lovely. This is from Jennifer. She sent me these cute little goodies in the mail as a Happy Mail gift for me. So I placed them on these little Polaroid shapes. And when you put them together, they just look like these. And it's so easy. If you're a beginner to paper crafting, you can make these in no time as well. And then what I had done was I shared with you a library pocket where I had placed some of the little Polaroid shapes inside, and I wanted to give you the measurements for the little library pocket that I had made in case you also wanted to make a library pocket to store the little Polaroid shapes inside the pockets, or if you wanted to use these for other projects. So I wanted to give you the measurements for the little pocket, and you just need your scrap paper as well to make these. I also wanted to show you the pocket insert, which was the little pocket with the opening at the front, and what you do is then you can add your embellished Polaroid that you had complete, and you just stick it in the front this way, and then you've got yourself a pocket insert to store your Polaroids or other goodies that you would like to add into the pocket. So again, just using your scrap paper to make one of these. And I have made these in the past videos. I just love these sort of pockets because they're really easy and you just use your scraps to make them. So I'm going to give you the measurements for that. And then there is also an envelope that I had showed you in that video with a blank card where you could also add your finished embellishment to the front of a card if you wanted to gift a note card with your packaging, and you can add your little embellishment to the front. And the measurement for the card was 6 inches by 3 3/4 of an inch, and then you just fold it in half to create a 3-inch by 3 3/4 inch card. And I made my own envelopes so that you could store the card inside the envelope. So I'm going to show you the measurements for this envelope if you wanted to make one of these. And then you've got this measurement for your envelopes for your other purpose of what you wanted to use your envelope for. So you can make your own envelopes using my measurement. So let me show you the measurements for the library pocket first. So it's this one here. It's just so cute, and all you need is a piece of 4x4 paper. And if you have a 12x12 paper, you can make 12 little library pockets with a 12x12 paper. And let me just bring my scoreboard. So I just bring my little scoreboard over. And so I've cut my paper at 4x4 inches. And I also had made a kit with the little Polaroid kits in my shop as well. So what you're going to do with your 4x4, you're just going to line it on one side, and you're going to score at 3/8 of an inch. And the 3/8 of an inch is the little mark just here before the 1/2 inch mark. So you're going to score it at 3/8 of an inch. You're going to turn it around and score it on the other side as well at 3/8 of an inch. And then you're going to turn it around to the other side, and you're going to score at 1.5 inches. So there are your score lines, 3/8 of an inch, and then on 3/8 of an inch on this side as well. And then you're going to score it at 1.5 inches. And we are going to remove these 2 long pieces out. So I'm going to turn it around this way. So I'm just going to cut along And then I'm going to just snip it like that at an angle. And I'm going to remove this side as well. And angle cut that. So there we have that. And I'll do the same on these two ends and angle cut those as well. Now there are two ways you can make your pocket. I'm just going to corner around these two corners as well, which you can do if you like. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to fold these two side flaps over. Can you just give me 1 second? Sorry about that. I just had to grab my little boy because he's just waiting at the door staring at me, and he won't come inside unless I carry him. All right, so I've just folded the sides, and then I'm going to fold this up, and that will give me the depth of the pocket. So with these two sides, you can either wrap them around the back of your pocket this way, and then you're going to glue them down, and you've got yourself a pocket, or you can glue them this way and then glue them on the inside of the pocket. So it's up to you how you would like it. Some people like to keep it all neat so you don't see the sides, and you can have it inside. So that's up to you. I have mine on the back. So it's there's an option there for you. So what I'll do is I will put this one at the back. Actually, I'll put it in the front. So I've got one at the back and one at the front, so you can see the two different ways, because they still will work the same way. So that's your library pocket done, and you can package all of your little Polaroids like that, and then you can gift it, and then you can embellish the front. So that is your library pocket done. And now to make the pocket with the opening in the front, you're going to grab another 4x4 paper as well, and we'll make some score lines. So we're going to do the same thing, and we are going to line it on the 4-inch side, and we are going to score at 1/2 inch on both sides. So 1/2 inch, and I'm just going to go 1/2 inch in that way, which is 3.5 inches. And then you're going to turn this around the other way and score it at 3/4 inch. So now you've got your 3 score lines. And what we're going to do here is we are going to angle cut this little part, because we're going to just remove these two little pieces out and then cut up. So that is the shape, and we'll do the same to this side, cutting that at an angle and then cutting up. And that's all there is to the cutting. And then I'm going to corner around these two sides. Again, you don't have to do that. I'm going to fold these in, and I'm going to corner around these two bottom parts. And then I'm just going to press that down, and then we'll fold this piece up. So now you've got your back pocket done with the opening. We'll seal up just the sides here with some glue, and then press that down. So that will close up the sides and the corner. And you just grab your Polaroid that you've already embellished. I'll just grab this one. I won't glue mine down. And you're just going to add a little bit of glue just to these 3 sides, and then you will place your embellishment to the front, your Polaroid shape embellishment, and that will cover the front, and then nothing will come out of the front, and then you've got your top pocket. So that's to make the little pocket insert. And to make the envelope, and we all love envelopes, I love envelopes, especially small envelopes, and it's even more fun when you can make your own envelopes as well. Sometimes it's hard to find an envelope to fit the size of what you want to put inside. So for the envelope, you're going to cut your paper at 5 inches by 8 inches. I'm going to use my larger scoreboard for this one. So it was 5 inches by 8 inches. And we are going to line it at the 5-inch mark, and we're going to score it again, the same score line at 3/8 of an inch, and I might just turn it this way, and 3/8 of an inch this way as well. So you're going to go in at 3/8 of an inch on both sides, and then we were going to turn it around on the 8-inch side, and we are going to score at 2 3/4 of an inch and 6 1/4 inches. And then we are going to remove all of these two and these two. So I'm going to start by cutting this. I'm just going to turn around this way. Cut there. And the same as like the library pocket, just angle cutting it. I just find it's easier to make a fold for your envelope when you angle cut the sides. I'm just going to go and remove the other side. So that's done, and then the same on this side, just angle cutting those two pieces. And now we'll just fold the sides in. Just fold all the score lines. You can punch a little thumb notch here with your circle punch if you wanted to, and to create the little in the front here. So that's all there is. So now I'm just going to glue these two sides down, and there you have your envelope ready for your card, or you can use it for adding some goodies in there. So I'm just going to close that up, and then that's your closure, and there is your envelope all complete, just like this one. And then you can fit your note card in there. So easy. And so these are the measurements if you wanted to create some of the pocket ideas for your Polaroid shape to complete in your projects. So I hope this was a fun little tutorial for you, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.